Hi everyone, Adam here from Future Set Mortgage Broking. Hope you're doing well. It's Friday, we're bringing you those mortgage tips where each week we try to debunk some of the myths and explain some of the jargon when it comes to mortgages and property finance. And today we're just covering rental expense and notional rent expenditure and how this can affect potentially your loan applications with a lender or bank. So basically when you're, if say you're renting and you're looking to purchase an investment property, then you will have to include your rental expenditure in your living expenses as part of your application. If you were renting and you're looking to purchase an owner-occupied property, then we can remove the rental expenditure from your application because your liability will be with the new mortgage. Alternatively, if you're living rent-free, then if you were looking to purchase an investment property, we would have to include, well, most lenders include a notional rent figure. So the sort of general estimate is around $650 a month. Some lenders do that per couple, some lenders do that per applicant. So it can vary in terms of your servicing and what we can include in there. Some lenders may sort of put in a notional figure of around $500 a month, but again, it varies by lender, by bank as to what their sort of policy is. And again, a good mortgage broker can look into that for you. Again, if you are living rent-free, say you're living with parents or you've got a rent-free situation, then if you are looking to purchase a owner-occupied property, again, the rent side of it isn't included because you're going to have a liability with a new mortgage for the home you're going to live in. So yeah, just a couple of sort of things to sort of bear in mind there. And when you sort of especially if you're sort of looking to purchase investment properties and say you're doing application and your broker presents to you notional rent, you might think, well, what does that mean? Well, I'm not paying any rent, that doesn't make sense. That's basically the reason for it. So the lenders just want to make sure if you are sort of living rent free, that if your circumstances were to change, do they have some buffer in there to cover you having to rent somewhere else potentially? So I hope that helps. So it's a little insight as to how that sort of notional rent and sort of rent expenditure sort of affects your application. If you want to discuss that further with me, feel free to book a time for an initial chat myself. If you are looking to purchase property, refinance, get a better interest rate, consolidate debt, looking to withdraw equity out to build an investment property portfolio or create wealth, feel free to use the link or button below, book a time for a chat myself, and I can get a free assessment up and running for you, and then we can work out what your sort of options are and how to move things forward. For now though, have a great Friday, enjoy your weekend, and I'll chat to you soon.